Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting news about the OnePlus Watch 3. If you're a smartwatch enthusiast or just love to stay updated with the latest tech, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the launch date. The OnePlus Watch 3 is set to launch on February 18, 2025. This date is just around the corner, and we can't wait to see what this new smartwatch has to offer. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Watch 3 is its rotating digital crown, similar to the Apple Watch. This feature allows for easy navigation and control, enhancing the overall user experience. The battery life is another impressive aspect. The OnePlus Watch 3 boasts up to 120 hours of battery life in smart mode, surpassing many Android smartwatches. This means you can enjoy extended usage without constantly worrying about recharging. The watch features a dual chipset with Snapdragon W5 and BES 2800 MCU, designed for optimized battery life. This powerful combination ensures smooth performance and efficient power management. In terms of design, the OnePlus Watch 3 does not disappoint. It features a titanium bezel and a sapphire crystal display, giving it a premium look and feel. These materials also enhance the watch's durability, making it suitable for everyday wear. The health features of the OnePlus Watch 3 are also noteworthy. It includes ECG and sleep tracking, allowing users to monitor their health and wellness effectively. These features provide valuable insights into your heart health and sleep patterns. The OnePlus Watch 3 will initially be available in North America and Europe. This limited availability means that fans in these regions will be among the first to experience the new smartwatch. In summary, the OnePlus Watch 3 introduces exciting features such as a rotating digital crown, impressive battery life, dual chipset, premium design, and advanced health monitoring. We can't wait to see how this smartwatch enhances the wearable tech market. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the OnePlus Watch 3 and which features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.